If you have set up a System.io sub-account for one of your clients and you figured out that actually they, with the workspace admin access, cannot add their Stripe or PayPal account, and you from your sub-account can also not do that without having access to their logins for Stripe and PayPal, I might have found the solution. I really love this new feature from System.io to create sub-accounts. The only issue that I'm running into is that they removed the email connection. So what happens when you create an account, a sub-account, if you want to give access to your client to get to this account, you go to Workspace Members, you invite them as an assistant, and then you can change them to an admin. The only issue is that they, with an admin account, are not allowed to enter any or connect any payment gateways, and the payment gateways are those. So you don't have access to their payment gateways and they cannot connect it. So how to solve this? I've tried everything with trying to log in with their details, VPN addresses to remove the verification codes and not have it was a crime. And if you're watching this video, you probably have run into the same problem. Now, I found a really simple solution. I don't know why I came up earlier with that, but I'm going to share it, so it might be the solution that you need right now as well, is you ask your client to add you as a team member on their Stripe or their PayPal account. So you click on Settings, this is Stripe, then you go to Team and Security, or they go to Team and Security, they click on Add Member, they add your email address, and they click Super Administrator, or maybe Administrator works as well. They send an invite. You're going to receive a login code to enter their Stripe or their PayPal account. And then all you do is click on Connect, and both will be connected, either way, Stripe or PayPal. Stripe has been the most easiest for me. So this way, they're going to keep access on their account as the owner of the account, and you can still set up the gateway for them. And then once the Stripe connection is complete, your client can remove you from the team access in their Stripe account, so they keep their account secure, and they can simply do that by going back here, click on the member and remove the member. So this way, it keeps their Stripe account secure while allowing you to complete the technical setup in a professional way. That's it. I'm sure that System.io is working very hard on finding a solution, but until that time, at least now we have a solution to fix this problem, right? So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you want to stay up to date for all the upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Always happy to help.